5 seconds. Honorable Speaker, it is with great responsibility and anticipation that I rise to present this budget for the upcoming fiscal year. The budget is not just a financial document, it is a roadmap for our nation's future. It reflects our priorities, our commitments, and our vision for a prosperous and equitable society. Today, I will outline the key aspects of this budget, focusing on its implications for economic growth, social welfare, and sustainable development. First and foremost, this budget aims to stimulate economic growth. Our economy has faced significant challenges in recent times, including global economic uncertainties and the ongoing impact of the pandemic. To address these challenges, we have allocated substantial resources towards infrastructure development. Investment in infrastructure not only creates jobs but also enhances productivity and competitiveness. We are committed to building roads, bridges, and public transportation systems that will connect our communities and drive economic activity. In addition to infrastructure, we are placing a strong emphasis on supporting small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. SMEs are the backbone of our economy, accounting for a significant portion of employment and innovation. This budget includes measures such as tax incentives, access to low-interest loans, and grants for startups. By empowering SMEs, we are fostering an environment where entrepreneurship can thrive, leading to job creation and economic diversification. A budget is a reflection of our values, and one of our core values is ensuring the well-being of all citizens. This budget prioritizes social welfare with a particular focus on healthcare, education, and social security. In the healthcare sector, we are increasing funding for hospitals, clinics, and medical research. The recent pandemic has underscored the importance of a robust healthcare system, and we are committed to ensuring that every citizen has access to quality medical care. Education is another cornerstone of this budget. We believe that investing in education is investing in our future. This budget provides for the construction of new schools, the hiring of additional teachers, and the enhancement of educational facilities. We are also expanding scholarships and financial aid programs to ensure that no student is left behind due to financial constraints. Education is the great equalizer, and we are determined to provide every child with the opportunity to succeed. Furthermore, this budget addresses the needs of our senior citizens and vulnerable populations. We are increasing pensions and social security benefits to provide a safety net for those in need. Our goal is to create a society where everyone, regardless of age or circumstance, can live with dignity and security. Sustainable development is a key pillar of this budget. We recognize the urgent need to address climate change and protect our environment for future generations. This budget includes significant investments in renewable energy, energy efficiency, and environmental conservation. We are committed to reducing our carbon footprint and transitioning to a green economy. This not only addresses environmental concerns but also creates new opportunities in the growing green energy sector. In addition to environmental initiatives, we are focusing on sustainable agricultural practices. Agriculture is a vital part of our economy, and we must ensure that it is both productive and sustainable. This budget provides for research and development in sustainable farming techniques, as well as support for farmers to adopt these practices. By promoting sustainable agriculture, we are safeguarding our food security and protecting our natural resources. While this budget is ambitious in its scope, it is also grounded in fiscal responsibility. We have taken great care to ensure that our expenditures are balanced with our revenues. This budget includes measures to improve tax compliance and broaden the tax base, ensuring that everyone pays their fair share. We are also focused on reducing waste and inefficiency in government spending. By managing our finances prudently, we are ensuring that we can meet our commitments without burdening future generations with excessive debt. In conclusion, this budget is a comprehensive plan designed to drive economic growth, enhance social welfare, and promote sustainable development. It reflects our commitment to building a better future for all citizens. It is a budget that invests in our people, our infrastructure, and our environment. It is a budget that balances ambition with responsibility. I urge all members of this esteemed House to support this budget. Let us work together to implement these measures and realize our shared vision of a prosperous, equitable, and sustainable future. This is our opportunity to make a meaningful difference in the lives of our citizens and to lay the foundation for lasting progress. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, and thank you, members of this House, for your attention and your dedication to our nation's future. Let us move forward with determination and unity, confident in the knowledge that we are building a brighter tomorrow for all.